What does the Bible say about transgender? I think it fits your story. Uh, okay, so in the Bible, we can take this one all the way back to creation, and it's really very simple, in my opinion, and I think from a biblical opinion, God's eyes, the answer is cut and dry. In the beginning, when God created the heavens and the earth and all of the animals and the people and everything, he got done with everything, and when he got done creating uh, Adam and Eve, or men and woman, he said it was good. And what we don't understand in terms of our limited intellect is that uh, we have like good, better, best, awesome, amazing, all of these words that we think are ranking. Like if I say, oh, this was a good book, or I say, oh, this was the best book, you might be like, well, I want the best one because it's better than your good book. But in God, when he talked and he said it was good, that was it. Like that is the best thing ever, better than we could ever describe, because the Bible says God is good. And so if he said creating man and woman was good, that's it. We don't need anything else. He further explained it in the same area when it said male and female, he created them. It didn't say male, female, um, cross, transvestite, transgender, male and female. It was pretty much cut and dry. He created them. And so, given that, that answer is pretty simple. That's what the Bible says. It was good as men and women.